Hey guys, welcome to the Conscious Entrepreneurs channel, and in today's video I want to be sharing with you how you can make money with Amazon affiliate marketing and YouTube. Okay, so what I've been recently testing out for myself is basically to use Vidly. Okay, so I speak about how you can rank videos on YouTube using Vidly. Okay, there was actually a video that I watched of a guy saying how it takes him a couple of months to rank on the first page for these specific product keywords. Okay, and it definitely does not take a couple of months. Okay, literally it takes me a couple of minutes, and it's because I use the power of a software. Okay, so I use a powerful software called Vidly. Okay, and obviously I pay for the pro version because you can get so much out of the pro version. Like literally I rank within seconds, and I've been working on another YouTube channel actually. I won't actually tell you exactly what niche it is because I want to keep that private to myself. However, I'm sharing with you the exact same strategy. So the most easiest way to make money with Amazon affiliate marketing is simply, so the first thing, you pick a niche. Okay, then the second thing is you create a YouTube channel around that niche. So for example, food products. Okay, that is a great example. You can do product reviews of food products or even different types of food. Like, let's say culturally, you do different types of food products, say like only Japanese food products is just an example, or only Chinese or only African food products. And that alone is a huge niche in itself. You can do health products. So basically, now, how are you able to rank every single time for your keyword, okay, for the product that you are going for? Well, it's really easy. You go to Vidly, okay? You go to Vidly, and first of all, you want to do your research on what products to sell, because there's always products to sell. There's so many products to sell, and not just that. The great thing is most of these products are on Amazon. Okay, now I know obviously this video is about Amazon affiliate marketing, but you don't have to just limit this to Amazon. You can go to different websites, see if they have an affiliate program, which probably most do have affiliate programs. So there's many websites that have lots of lots of websites that have affiliate programs that pay out commissions when you make a sale. Okay, so even if you have a specific product and it's not on Amazon, you can find another website or something that have an affiliate program for that product and then promote it and sell it, okay, on YouTube. Okay, and basically what you do, so you buy the product, okay, and then you make a review about it. You can do an unboxing, you can do like tasting. If it's food, you can taste it, you can use it in front of people, and basically you're just describing your experience of the product, the way it tastes, the way its texture, how it feels on your skin, for example, if it's a skin product. And yeah, that's basically it. And the most important thing is to be able to rank your videos on the first page. Now, if you can do that in seconds using Vidly, okay, just imagine you've got 20 products, you've got 20 different products that you're doing reviews about. Now, it's good to go for higher commission products, of course, but think about it. If you are very limited to how much money you can spend, and you want to do the product reviews yourself, but some products are expensive. Okay, if you're looking for a good good payouts are going to be high priced items on Amazon. Okay, so if you've got a good product, you're probably going to have to spend a lot of money buying the product to review it. So you can always start off with the smaller products first, and because even the smaller products really add up, and it's passive income. Think about it. I rank a video once, okay, and maybe that product gets me a couple of pennies, okay, which is not a lot. But then let's say if 10, I've got 10 videos, okay, and they're all generating me a couple of pennies, okay, at the end of the day, that adds up and it gets more and more. I make more and more and more money from it. So like if I was to do one video and that video is getting me a few sales, probably making me a couple of pennies because the commissions are low, that's not going to actually make me that much money, right? But now say if you've got 50 videos and they're all making you pennies, it's basically going to add up, okay, into big money. Because, you know, maybe you're not going to get one sale from a video, maybe you'll get 50 sales a month from a video, okay? So, you know, it's little pennies that add up, and, you know, it accumulates and gets more and more, okay? Now these review videos are not that hard to create. It's not that hard to create a review video. You don't have to have like amazing video editing skills or an amazing camera. You can do it very amateur. You know, like you can just pull out your iPhone or pull out your phone, make a video. That is literally what I have been doing on my previous channel. And, you know, it's been going, I'm getting views. People are watching my videos. Why? Because I have ranked for those keywords. So basically, in a nutshell, how this method works, this specific method, is, let's say if you've got a product, okay? This is just for one product. You want to do it for many different products in that specific niche that you've picked, okay? So let's say if my niche was related to food items in Japanese, like Japanese food items, okay? So how many Japanese food items are there? There's loads, tons that I could do reviews on, okay? So basically what you do is then you want to rank for that specific name of the product, okay? Like the same name of the product you want to rank for. And the reason why is because, first of all, it's very easy to rank for product names, okay? And your competition is very low. And the second reason is that the people that are searching for that keyword are usually interested in buying it. They're ready to buy, okay? If someone is looking for, you know, XYZ product review, okay? They're looking for XYZ product, okay? It's just a no-brainer. They're looking for a review on, you know, if they can get more information on the product before they make a purchase. And if you give that information to them, they're probably gonna buy it from you, okay? And not always they're gonna buy it from you, but that's a high quality view on YouTube, okay? So yeah, that's basically pretty much the easy way, the fastest way actually, and it's completely free on how you can make money with Amazon affiliate marketing. Now, Amazon affiliate marketing commissions aren't that high, okay? It's only like 4% or maybe even less than 4%. But like I said, when you've got a bunch of these videos all generating you small amount of income, it adds up. It can definitely quickly add up fast. And the like I said, the main thing is being able to rank for your videos. Now, when you are picking a specific niche, okay, if you are picking a specific niche, you can literally dominate that niche because you have this information. For example, you have Vidly. If you've got a tool like Vidly, okay, you can literally outperform your competition any day. Like, you will literally dominate your competition. And that's what I've been doing, literally. Like, I've got multiple YouTube accounts and I've been testing this out time and time again. And I'm literally just ranking time and time again for the keywords that I pick on YouTube. And it's because Vidly is literally giving me all of the, you know, the details and the stats and the analytics that I need to be able to know whether I can rank or not. So if Vidly tells me, you know, this is a very easy keyword to rank for, I know it's going to be really easy for me to rank for. It's as simple as that. So you know, that's basically what I do in a nutshell. You know, yeah. The other thing is that you can, if you don't have any much products to get started with, you could literally go to your local store. Like, let's say I'm gonna stick to Japanese food, okay? So I'll stick to the Japanese food example. I've actually got a Japanese store local to me, okay? I can literally go in there, buy a whole bunch of items. I can buy like their rice, their snacks, their food, and all of these things. And I can make like 10 videos. I can buy 10 things in there and then do 10 different videos on those 10 items for my Japanese food channel. Okay, it's just an example. But do you see like the possibility? You know, it depends obviously which country you're living in, but if you're living in the United States, you could probably find a hell of a lot of stuff. And it doesn't matter if it's health food products, if it's, Japanese, if it's African. It's very multicultural, just like it is in the UK. So I can pretty much get almost everything in London, or almost everything in London, and it doesn't matter what it like. Even if it was health products that I was selling, there's a local health food store that I can go to, pick up a bunch of items, and then do product reviews on them. And that, you know, 9 times out of 10, it's more than likely that people are searching for those products online because maybe, you know, they've seen it in the shops, or maybe they've seen it online and they want more information on it. They want a review on it. And, you know, you can just simply give it a review and then put your Amazon link in the description below the video that you're promoting the product for. Okay? So, yeah, that's in a nutshell one way that you can make a good amount of income with Amazon affiliate program, and completely for free, just using the power of YouTube. Well, it's not, I wouldn't say it's 100% for free, because if you're using Vidly, which I highly recommend to use, it's just going to give you a much bigger advantage anyway. Sometimes it's good to spend money on tools that are necessary to take you to the next level, and literally without Vidly, it will be super difficult to rank. Like, you know, like I said, I was listening to some guy's video about affiliate marketing, and the dude's making money. Like good for him. Like, you know, it's excellent that he's making money with the the work that he's putting in and everything. But he literally said it takes him a few months to rank. I don't know what he's doing that it takes him a few months to rank, but I'm telling you right now, it doesn't take you a few months to rank. He said that he finds a very easy keyword and then he ranks, and it usually takes him a few months, okay? Now, if you're picking a very easy keyword, it will not take you a few months. If you do it correctly, it literally takes you a couple of minutes, okay? I've literally done this time and time again. I just did like a video today, a video yesterday, and they're all ranking. And, you know, this is not on this channel. I have different YouTube channels that I'm continuously testing, different niches, different products. And, you know, I'm literally ranking. Like, it's so easy. It's just like effortless with Vidly, okay? So, yeah, I know I'm, going on and on about Vidly, but I really believe in this product. It's not even about believing in it. I'm seeing that it works very, very well. So, yeah, I mean, if you really want to be able to rank your videos with Amazon affiliate marketing, Vidly is a tool that I highly recommend. And, you know, I actually have done previous videos where I show a lot of examples of ranking different YouTube videos for with Vidly, okay, for affiliate marketing products. I have done so many more videos after that. Like I said, I'm doing it on a constant day-to-day basis. I'm ranking videos, but I want to keep that private because I know people like to copy and like to see, and there's going to be more competition like with my channel and I'm just getting started. You know, it's quite a new channel, so, you know, I don't want to for people to start copying, and, you know, it's going to get oversaturated and stuff, so it's going to ruin my channel and I don't want that. However, I am sharing with you the exact same strategy that I am using, the exact. So, I mean, you have to be careful with this method, but there's another way that you can make money with it, and that is by using Creative Commons videos. So, finding videos that you can upload to YouTube, on YouTube, which are videos that are Creative Commons. Okay, so you have the rights to use them, but there's a lot of you know, rules and regulations about, you know, how you do it and stuff like that. It's always good to not use the direct video, but to make some edits to it, make some changes, maybe like put some music in the background, put some text in the video, maybe clip some things out. But then you know, you could potentially find review product reviews that are Creative Commons for the product that you want to sell, and then take that video and then just like style it out into your own video. That's what I've done in some of my videos as well. But yeah, I mean, I've got multiple channels, and I'm consistently using this method, and it's just working over and over and over and over. I can rank easily and effortlessly. Okay, so the other thing is using live videos. So that's another really powerful way that you can just boost your rankings by far. Like if you was to use the Vidly method plus the live video method, oh my god, like literally. And they also explain that in Vidly, actually. When you buy Vidly, the guy explains that you can not only rank, I mean, you rank your videos anyway, but live events, literally, if you was to create a live video, you can literally create a live event without even having to do the video, and it will still rank on the first page of YouTube. So that's the power of live events. Live events really do rank really fast. And yeah, I might do a video on that at a later stage. But yeah, so if you haven't yet got Vidly, you know, what are you waiting for? Get Vidly. Because you are missing out, you know, if you want to be using YouTube to rank your videos on the first page for keywords effortlessly, like literally effortlessly. It takes a few seconds. People are taking months to rank their video. This one does it in seconds. Okay, so you know, if you want to rank your video in seconds, then get Vidly. You don't want to be wasting time and just procrastinating on it. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed this video. Have an awesome day and take care.